Hi everyone, and welcome to the Droigy channel. In today's video, we'll be explaining why messages might not be sending on your Android phone. If you own a mobile phone, you've undoubtedly had the experience of sending text messages, a method of communication that often offers greater privacy for the recipient compared to making a phone call. But what if, one day, you need to send a text to a family member, and upon hitting the send button, you discover that your messages simply won't go through? You might find yourself wondering, why isn't my Android phone sending text messages? If you're facing this dilemma, you've come to the right place. We're about to tell you exactly why your Android phone is failing to send messages. This video covers a wide range of phone models, including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Please watch the entire video patiently. We'll now outline the most common reasons why you might be unable to send SMS messages from your Android device. 1. The message contains illicit or prohibited content. 2. The phone number was entered incorrectly. 3. You attempted to send an unsupported message type. 4. There is an issue with your billing or account status. 5. The recipient has blocked or opted out of receiving your messages, among other possibilities. These are the most frequent causes behind the inability to send text messages on an Android phone. Regardless of which specific scenario applies to your device, you can follow along with us to resolve the issue. You are not alone in experiencing the text message failed to send error. Many other users have encountered this frustrating problem as well. To help you out, we've researched and compiled several effective solutions for fixing message sending issues on Android phones. We hope these methods will successfully resolve your problem. Please try each of the methods listed below patiently. You may need to attempt them more than once. Finally, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, giving it a like, or leaving a comment to let us know which specific method worked for you. Method 1. Restart your phone. A messages not sent error on an Android phone is often caused by a temporary glitch, and the best way to clear such glitches is to simply restart your Android device. A simple restart can resolve temporary network or software conflicts, making it one of the most effective troubleshooting steps you can take at any time. Let's go through the process of restarting your Android phone together. To restart your device, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears on your screen. From the menu, tap the restart icon. Your phone will then begin the reboot process. Please wait patiently for the restart to complete. Once your phone has fully rebooted, try sending a text message again to verify that it goes through successfully. Method 2. Check the message content. If your text message contains content related to criminal activity or illicit acts, your mobile carrier may intercept and block the message. This interception can result in the scenario where messages on your Android phone fail to send. Certain types of content are explicitly defined as illegal. Therefore, please review the text messages you are attempting to send to see if they contain any such content. If they do, please delete it. Once removed, you should be able to send your messages normally. Method 3. Incorrect phone number. If you have entered an incorrect phone number, your text message naturally cannot be sent successfully. Thus, encountering the issue of can't send text messages on Android phone is to be expected. To resolve this, please carefully verify that the phone number you entered is correct. Once you have confirmed the number is accurate, please attempt to send the message again. Another possibility is that the recipient has blocked you or configured their settings to refuse messages from you. This, too, can result in the problem of texts aren't sending. Method 4. Check your billing status. The issue of an Android phone stopping sending text messages may stem from billing-related matters. If your account has reached its credit limit, your mobile carrier may intercept and block your outgoing messages. To check your billing status, please call your carrier or log into their website to verify your current account balance and check for any outstanding bills. Method 5. SIM card issues. A malfunctioning or improperly inserted SIM card can also lead to text message delivery failures. Please ensure that your SIM card is correctly seated within the SIM card tray and that it is not damaged. Try removing the SIM card, cleaning it, and then reinserting it into your Android device. If the issue was indeed caused by improper insertion, performing these steps should help you fix an Android device that won't send text messages. Method 6. Network issues. One of the primary reasons for having problems sending messages on an Android phone is network connectivity issues. This may be due to weak network coverage in your current location or a complete lack of network signal. This situation can also occur if airplane mode is enabled. Therefore, you must ensure that airplane mode is turned off. Next, try switching your network mode, for instance, from 5G/4G to 4G/3G, and moving to a different physical location. Doing so allows you to check if the signal strength improves and may potentially resolve the problem. Method 7. Outdated software. Outdated firmware on your Android device can also cause Android text messages to stop working. To resolve this issue, please ensure that your Android device is running the latest version of its operating system. To check for updates on your Android phone, tap on Settings, locate and tap on System, and then select Software Update or System Update. Here, you will be able to see if there are any pending system updates available. If updates are available, please install them immediately. Once the update installation is complete, your phone may automatically restart. Once completed, please try sending the text message again. If the issue was caused by outdated software, updating it should resolve the failed to send message error on your Android device. Method 8. Carrier-related issues. If your Android device is able to receive text messages normally, and you have already attempted all the solutions mentioned above, yet the inability to send text persists, we suspect the problem lies with your mobile carrier. Technical glitches on the carrier's end can often result in text messages failing to send to specific individuals on an Android phone. Therefore, you should contact your carrier directly and ask them to assist you in further diagnosing and resolving the issue. That wraps up today's video. If you found this video helpful and appreciate the work we've done, please give us a like, share this video, and let us know in the comments section which method helped you resolve your issue. Additionally, if you feel there are areas where we could improve, please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments as well. Thank you, and good luck.